Introduce myself that I am Vishal Saxena, and today I will be helping you and assisting you in cleaning money myths so that you all can acknowledge the abundance of money flowing into your life daily, every minute, every second, now onwards. And before I go ahead, I would like to thank Ma'am Kanwal that she helped us today on that particular platform where we are sitting today, and Hassan also. And it was a nice journey with my friends also who are the participant today. And gradually, in coming 3 days, we will understand how money myth is holding us and not letting us have the money what we want in our life. So let's start. Initially, is to start. Let's just understand what are our finances, what are the money flows, and why we are getting blocked every time. We all are working together for the same purpose, and still we have issues when the money comes into our mind. It all started during our conditioning days. When we were getting conditioning, our belief systems were getting developed. And these belief systems that were getting developed was nothing else but the stories that we were hearing from our parents or any higher authorities, from the environment. And these, all the, whatever we were sitting like 0 to age 7, whatever we were hearing, that is what was going into our unconscious mind, and we were registering it. And while registering it, we forgot that what money has the power for us and how money can come into our life. So while conditioning and while listening to the stories, we were told the stories that were said by us elders or by our relatives or by anyone. It was saying that money can buy everything except spirituality, love, happiness, and health. These were the few points that were basically being in every story what we hear. Money cannot buy love, money cannot buy good health, money cannot buy many of the things. And these small 4 or 5 things which were being repeatedly going into a subconscious mind made us a rule that money cannot buy all these things. So while we were going ahead in our life, what we were basically doing is our conscious mind, we were working towards money, and our subconscious mind or our unconscious mind was holding back. So like, as you all know that when we our unconscious mind is 6,000 times faster than the conscious mind. So even what we were working seriously towards the goal of getting money, but we were getting stuck because in our subconscious mind, it was that money cannot buy love, money cannot buy compassion, money cannot enlighten us, money cannot buy health for us. So that is what it was stopping us. But here, the main thing what we forgot was some people go into the path of spirituality, some people go into the path of charity. What basically is the life what we are leading requires good food, good health, good well-being, and love also. And these things only come, I'm not saying it come because of money, but these things are the main driving force of our life. And with this driving force of our life, money plays a role because money is about what is abundance. Abundance is something flowing through you. We are not stopping it. So the money that comes into us, it flows up. Then that becomes a charity. Money comes in to us and we give it to somebody or a spirituality or for a spiritual purpose. It is the flow of money. And if we stop that, we are stopping the entire, we are building a dam and we are not letting the water flow. That is what we are doing with the money. So in order to overcome that, today we will be doing the tapping meditation, where I will be guiding you how to do it. And we will be coming out of this money myth from our mind, and we'll be looking for a positive way of looking life for ourselves, whether it is in the spirituality, whether it is in our well-being, whether it is on a charity, whatever we want to do, the abundance will start flowing us through us, and it will be distributed to the people or to others, whoever wants money flow to be received to them. So we will be connecting ourselves with the universe, to the people, through us the flow will go. So all, how do you feel now when you think about money myth is something that was basically at the age of 0 to 7 was developed, and now today we are on a different level altogether. So how do you all feel? Are we all ready for this tapping meditation where the money flow will go and we all will be reaching our goals. We will be receiving abundance all over the place, and we will be serving people also, and we will be doing charity also, and we will be doing whatever we require in life to grow in our life path the way we want to. So are all we ready?
Yes.
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 So you
we are
just
ready.
close your eyes. Today we will be removing all the blockages that are related to money. All the blockages mean all the blockages. Close your eyes. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your mouth. Breathe in through your nose. Let's become calm. Breathe out through your mouth. Now, one more time. And now just open your eyes. I will just guide you on the tapping points so that you can understand when I tell you, you will be tapping that particular points, right? This is what we call a side of the hand. I will be repeating certain affirmations along with you. This is when I say side of the hand, we have to tap it like this, right? This is how we tap the side of an hand. When I say tap on the eyebrows, we have to tap it here. When I say tap it on the side of the eyes, you all have to tap it here with the affirmation which I will be guiding you around. And then when I say under the eyes, it is here. And when I say under the nose, it is here. Under the mouth is here. On the collarbone is here. Under the arm is here. And top of the head is here. So all these points will be activating your senses. All these points will be putting a ripple effect in your body. And wherever the negativity is stored, will start coming out, and we will be letting go, and we will let it go. So in this tapping, the main important point is we do the negative statements first so that it gets resonated with our unconscious mind, and then we put in the positive affirmations. So again, let's close our eyes together and breathe in through our nose and breathe out through our mouth. Breathe in, hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. Breathe in, hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. Keep your eyes closed. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. Now, gently keep your eyes closed. Gently tap on the side of your hand and repeat after me. You can repeat it loud or you can repeat it in your mind. Even though I had limited belief about money, it's okay, as that was the past belief. I love and accept myself. Keep tapping. Even though I had misconception about money, keep repeating. And this misconception was holding me back. I made myself free as I love and accept myself. Again, on the side of the hand. Even though a slightest thought of earning money was stressful for me, I love and accept myself. Now we will tap on top of our eyebrows. I am sorry. Side of the eyes for holding on the belief that money will not serve my purpose, my requirement, while I walk my higher self. Keep repeating. Under the eyes, please forgive me. Under the nose, thank you. Under the nose, thank you. Under the chin, I love you. On the collarbone, I accept you. Under our arms, I love and accept myself. On top of our head, I let go all negative belief systems about money. Just keep tapping on top of your head. We repeat again. On top of our eyes brows, I'm sorry. Side of the eyes for blocking the abundance of money flowing to me. Under the eyes, please forgive me. Under the nose, thank you. On the chin, I love you. On the collarbone, I forgive everyone, known or unknown, who knowingly or unknowingly made me believe that money brings negativity. Under the arm, I respect what they had taught me. I respect the belief system they had given me, but now I release it. On top of our head, I bless everyone with love and prosperity. Now you have to visualize while I kept tapping it. No need to say, just visualize. I will be asking certain things, you have to visualize. On top of your eyebrows, how happy you were when you received money for the first time. How happy you were. Be in that moment. Keep tapping on your eyebrows and keep visualizing how happy you were in that particular moment. On the side of your eyes, as you tap, visualize the satisfaction that you felt. And when someone gave you money for buying something for yourself, feel the satisfaction, the happiness within. Be in that moment. Feel that moment, the first time when you received money and it was asked, buy something for yourself. How happy you were. Now tap under the eyes and see when you bought something for someone with your money. It can be your friends, parents, sisters, brothers, because at a small age you would have bought something with the money you had. How happy did you feel? What was that happiness for you? How happy you were. This is love, unconditional love for someone. Just be in that moment, feel the moment. Now under the nose, Now you see yourself in the present situation, how happy you will be when you are having financial abundance. See the flow of money coming from expected and unexpected sources. Feel the abundance, feel the connection of abundance to you through the universe, through the frequency, and see that money flowing into you from expected and unexpected sources. And now tap on the chin. You see, as you tap, the ripple effect of the money which is coming to you, serving yourself, your near and dear ones, people whom you wanted to assist. See that moment, see the ripple effect, see all your desires are being fulfilled. See that whatever you wanted, even you want to have something very ice cream also, it is getting fulfilled by trading the money that you have, because that is the power of money which is giving you satisfaction. See, if you are into want to do charity, you are doing charity. Feel that moment, be into that charity moment. See that how the smiles of others is helping you to give more to them. Now tap on your collarbone and you see yourself surrounded with money, surrounded with abundance. The flow of money is coming, walking through you every moment, every second. Feel the flow of money and see that whatever you are doing is accepted by your mind, body, and soul. How happy you are. See the happiness. Now we move on to under our arms. Now you integrate your past self with your current self. The past self, where it was said, money cannot buy love, knowledge, and happiness. Today, you have the abundance with you and tell him, yes, that was right. But money for us is abundance, a flow channel for others also. The wishes will be fulfilled. Come with me. I love you. We all will travel the new world of abundance. Integrate yourself with your past self and ask him to come along with you. Now, while tapping on the head, say thank you to the universe, angels, or the light that you believe. And say, what is good for me will come to me. I love and accept myself. Feel yourself receiving the abundance from expected and unexpected sources. Feel life is easy, life is smooth. Now keep both your hands on your chest and breathe. Say, be grateful to your heart who is beating unconditionally for you. Say thank you for being with me always. Say thank you to each cells of your body, each part of your body. Say thank you. Keep breathing in deeply. And now as you breathe in the abundance of happiness, abundance of love, abundance of good health, abundance of power. As you breathe in. And while you breathe out everything that is holding you back. Breathe in again. Now for the happiness for yourself, the abundance for yourself. And while you breathe out blessings and prosperity to your environment. If your environment is beautiful, you will develop beautifully. Breathe in again. Breathe in for the abundance of money coming into your life. And while you breathe out, share the abundance with everyone around you in your surrounding and feel the happiness. And as you feel this happiness, rub both your hands, palms, put them on your eyes, integrate yourself, and feel attracted towards the abundance. Be in the moment, feel the moment, and the abundance is flowing into your life deeply and completely. Welcome back. So from today onwards, my request is now onwards, the money will start flowing into your life from anywhere. You will not imagine, like maybe you would be wearing a jeans, in the pocket you put your hand, least expected you will find some currency in your pocket, or somebody will be coming and will be handing over money to you to give it to somebody else. Keep sharing in the group that what was the entire 24 hours till we meet on till tomorrow. What was that money which came into your life unexpected way? So this unexpected way, the money will start flowing into your life. And just say thank you that today, yes, the universe has started testing me and giving me abundance for the money which I was least expecting. It is flowing through me or coming to me. Once you start doing this, tomorrow when we will meet, we will remove the stress and anxiety that we face in our finances. So we'll move one step ahead and go and do the meditation on a different way, but tapping will be the same. But the meditation, the statements will be different. Thank you. Any questions? Just let me know.
Thank you so much, Vishal. Thank you.
you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
It's
Thank
amazing.
you.
Thank you, Vishal.
Amazing.
Thank
Really enjoyed that.
you.
Thank you.
so much.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Vishal.
Vishal, Kaval, SN.
Thank
you so much, everyone.
Everybody have
Make more money.
a good
Thank
day
you.
tomorrow, inshallah.
Thank
See you tomorrow.
Wish you flowing of money.
Yeah,
Thank
let's
you.
all
You
disperse,
too,
make more money.
everybody.
Yeah.
See you tomorrow, everybody.
Amazing. Everybody.
Bye. See you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, my friends.
Thank
and
you.
everyone. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thanks. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Same
Thank
to you. Have a
Bye-bye.
wonderful of.
Everybody.
Bye.